everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica and today I have my update for Partners in Cream. I had to think about which one I am filming today. This is a project that was created by Steph and Delynn. Those beautiful ladies are going to be listed down below, and if there's any other information that you need to know, of course it's going to be down there. This is in, I believe, the 4th year, and it is all about your powdered makeup products. Those in subsequent years people have been putting other things in that are liquid or cream based, but it started out as makeup only, and that is how I keep mine. I keep it the same. So this started on January 10th, will go till December 10th, so this is the last update before the finale. This one is not going quite as well as I had hoped. I mean, it's not horrible, but it's not as exciting as it could be. I have 4 products that I am going to show you. One of them is rolling out and 3 are continuing on, hopefully to be done or goal met by the next time I update this, which, like I said, is going to be the finale. So let's get into the one that is rolling out. This is the Kaja Dewy Balm something something. Let me look at my computer over here. It is the Dewy Bar Cheek and Lip Multi Balm. It's a lot of words, and yes, I know I'm looking over here today. I have my other computer underneath the camera that is actually saving a video, and then I have a computer over here that has like my spreadsheet and stuff. Yeah, I know I'm crazy. I've got computers and stuff everywhere. That's just the way it goes. So this is rolling out. I only had a few uses left on it from the last update, and this one is rolling out. I've used it on my lips. I've used it on my cheeks. It's really nice. You probably can't tell, but there's a little bit less than where it was started. It's just a little bit below the surface there. I enjoyed it. I can't wait to use it again. I really like everything that I've tried from Kaja so far, and yeah, that is going to go right back into my drawer. The next 2 products that I'm going to show you, I haven't touched at all since I brought them in, which is kind of sad. This one is from Buxom. It is the lip liner in Hush Hush. It is beautiful. It is nude. It is easy to use. I just haven't used it because I am working on so many other lip products, and some of them I really want to get done this calendar year, so this kind of got pushed to the back burner. I'm really hoping I can get my 5 uses on it before the finale next month. That would be really nice. I think I need to roll this into my makeup basket that I should be filming here probably tomorrow. So I need to set that aside and make sure that that goes into my basket. So this is my little note to editing Jess so that she remembers to put this in the basket. Same with this next one. This is from City Color. It is the Eye Mousse in White Gold. I haven't touched it since I brought it in. It's beautiful. I'm just working on a lot of stuff, and this one needs to go in the makeup basket as well. I feel like if I can just shove them in there while I'm thinking about it, then I can get those quick 5 uses, because this can be used as an inner corner. It's not like I have to do my whole eye with it. So I need to remember to do that because I can knock those 5 uses out really quick. Same with the nude lip liner. I can definitely get 5 uses on that quick. And this last one, I saved it for last because I forgot to mark it, so I marked it really quick after I turned the camera on, so hopefully I won't smear it all over the place. This is the eyeliner from Coffee. I don't know what the eyeliner is actually called. I mean, I know the shade name, but I don't know like what its fancy little name is. It's in the shade Tiger Queen. It is a beautiful, beautiful shade. That is all I have left of that. This one I'm actually attempting to finish, which, you know, it could happen. I just finished up another eyeliner, so this is going to be my primary eyeliner, and I probably can finish it as long as it's my primary and stays in my makeup basket. So this one, I'm trying not to touch it. You can see where I was here before, and now I'm down at this green, and hopefully I don't have that all over my fingers because, you know, that's how I roll sometimes. So I do think with that little bit that is left, I probably can have that one done by the finale. It's not going to match everything, but I am working on enough warm stuff that I still think I can probably get it used up. So that is this update. So far, I have finished or met goal on 5 items in this project, which isn't the greatest. Yeah, it's 5 things that I met goal on, but only 2 of them were to finish so far. And then I will have this eyeliner as another finish. Everything else was just usage goal. Not the absolute best, not the worst. I will live with it. It was probably, again, bad choosing on my part with some of the things that I brought in. I had so much conflict this year. I did not plan well for 2024. I have not planned yet for 2025, but I will be planning better. I'm going to take a weekend. I'm just going to sit down with everything and plan everything out, make sure there's not too much overlap and conflicting stuff, and I think I will do much better for 2025. As of right now, I do not know if this project is coming back, though I suspect that even if it doesn't officially come back, I think other people are probably going to join and do this because it is a well-loved project. I just don't know what Steph and Delynn have going on. Both of those ladies are extremely busy, so it's really up to them. It is their project. It is not part of the group. So, you know, I can't really say one way or the other because I had nothing to do with it. Those two beautiful ladies created this all on their own and, you know, got everyone to join in on their own. So who knows? You guys will know when I know, and that's if I even know. All right, I am going to go ahead and wrap this up. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.